IAA CAD is a perpetual 2D and a 3D CAD software enabling you to create and modify technical drawings in the native DWG format. IAA CAD is the number one alternative in CAD trusted by industry leaders. IAA CAD is a powerful DWG based CAD software for IAA members. IAA CAD offers modern DWG editing with significantly better collaboration. IAA CAD is making no compromises in features and innovations. Users that are familiar with other CAD software can switch instantly to IAA CAD. If you know, for example, a command by name, you can enter that with the keyboard. In case the command has a different name in IAA CAD, an alias is defined to launch the same command in IAA CAD. Secondly, the commands work very much the same with all the design aids you would expect, such as entity snapping, entity tracking, Q input with all the dimensions and angles next to the cursor. The user interface should also look very familiar and intuitive. The UI lets you switch between different ribbon workspaces. Alternatively, you can also get back to more traditional user interface with menus and toolbars. You can also show or hide the widely used palettes such as properties palette, layer manager, and other palettes which is there in the IAA CAD like reference palette and even the design resource palette to reuse content from other drawings. Of course, the presentation of the project is very important. The paper space will allow us to create layout sheets of any type and sizes. This way, we can combine different views and at different scales of our 2D and 3D drawings. IAA CAD also supports advanced printing configurations with the possibility to use CTB, STB, and PC3 configuration files. You can also print in any paper size on any paper or to a PDF file. In case if you receive a drawing saved in PDF, you can also use our PDF import to convert it back into a editable DWG file with IAA CAD. Although the DWG format is most frequently used for 2D, you will also find in IAA CAD a full set of 3D modeling features in the 3D modeling workspace. IAA CAD is also supported on both Windows and Mac operating system. The goal of IAA CAD is to offer all the CAD features that are familiar with, along with new and more advanced tools that significantly improve the productivity of users. For example, features like Power Trim, which enables the user to simultaneously trim, extend, and delete entities on the go. Smart Dimension, which enables the user to get the dimension based on the entities that are selected. Dimension palette, which allows the quick editing of dimension text in the drawing. And voice notes to record the own voice of a user in the drawing file for better communication. Some other fundamental advantages of IAA CAD includes the BIM features. You can import and view Revit, IFC files, but most interestingly, you can extract 2D drawings from them and extract the BIM information into tables. We can even combine different BIM files to mix into a BIM information from different sources.